Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Volkswagen Tiguan, stock reference number 4475. This shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 7th month 2009. It has a CBAB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a JBG automatic all-wheel drive transmission. CBAB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the bonnet, which has one small dent, chrome radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, less flare. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have a few scratches. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.